In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a heading to your Google document. So I'm on the Google Documents file and the ultimate guide to AI productivity, and I want to give this document a header. So the first thing is to determine where I want to add the header. So I'm just going to click down. I want to add it at the top. Like the name suggests, it is a header. It has to be at the top, right? So the next thing I have to do is to come to insert. I will come to insert and I will click on insert. Then I will navigate to page elements. Then I will scroll down to header. I'll put it there. And I can now type the content of the header. Let's say um, the ultimate guide to AI productivity. So this is the header. This is the header copy. Then I can modify it however I want. Let's say I want to increase the font size. I can increase the font size to 15, and I can bold it and do anything that I want, right? So this is the header. Then I can navigate out of it. So I've successfully given this document a header, right? And what this header does is that for every other part of the page, it adds the header to every other part of the page automatically. So if I go to, let's say, I navigate to another page now, you can see that it has the header already. So this is basically how you add a header to your Google document. If you find this very helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.